Autumn is the perfect time to start something new or to improve ourselves. So our next idiom is to turn over a new leaf. To turn over a new leaf means to make a fresh start or to change one's behavior for the better. For example, after the divorce, he decided to turn over a new leaf and focus on the self-improvement. So after the divorce, after having divorced, he decided to change his life and improve himself. Another association with autumn is nuts. So our next phrase is to drive someone nuts. When we drive someone nuts, we make this person feel annoyed, frustrated, or crazy. For example, her constant complaining is driving me nuts. I can't concentrate on anything. The following idiom we're going to look at is lost in the mists of time. When something is lost in the midst of time means it has been forgotten or obscured by the passage of time, making it difficult to understand or remember. For instance, the origins of that ancient tradition are lost in the midst of time, and no one really knows how it started. Unfortunately, it happens all the time. We've got some traditions or customs and we don't know where they're coming from. We don't know why we follow this or that tradition. The last idiom we're going to look at today is out of the woods. When we are out of the woods means that we have overcome a difficult or dangerous situation, or we are free from troubles or difficulties. For instance, the doctors say that he's out of the woods after the surgery, so he's recovering well. This is the end of our video. I hope you found it useful for you. For more videos like this, I invite you to follow my channel. Bye bye for now.